Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture. Let's log in. Once you are logged in, you will head over to the top right corner where you will see a circle. That is where your profile picture will display. It is right next to the notification bell icon. It should be the last one. And if you've never changed your image before or your profile picture before, it would display your name initials. Go ahead and click on that icon and then select profile. Once the profile page has loaded, you will see your avatar URL. It means you can drag and drop your desired picture into this circle, or you can just simply click on the browse button and navigate to where the image is saved on your computer. Double click on that and you'll see it's loading and it's uploading. Uploading is finished and you can see the green hue indicating you, hey, your upload is completed. You can go ahead and click on the save button, which you must do, otherwise your profile picture changes will not be applied. So go ahead and save, and it gives us a notification that it is saved. It automatically disappears, but let's go ahead and click on the X button and just to be sure, refresh the page, and you can see it is refreshed and our new profile icon is right here. To navigate back, you just have to click on the Task Lemon logo and it'll take you back to our main core hub. Then you can just look over to your beautiful animated profile picture. The way you get your animated picture is that you upload a GIF. Now, you don't have to upload a GIF or animated, you can just upload a plain picture, which most people do, but GIF looks really cool, and that's why I wanted to have an animated profile icon. It's just something nice to look at when you are working. And make sure that the upload size for your image is no bigger than 2 MB. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow. Comment if you want to see any tutorials in the future. And I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.